Me and my friend Devin have gotten a chance to go on a fishing trip to Florida that we've been wanting to go on for quite a while now. We're going to get some chances to do some pretty cool things this trip. And yeah, let's see what happens.
And the mall is like...
What time are you today? These are oysters. Nah, it's nothing crazy, but really pretty cichlid. Just yeah. Tiny is tiny. Some little lady. It's a cool fish. I wonder how much footage I got on my trout. Probably not. Devin, you want to grab the camera now? Do you mind? Feels better. What the hell?
Pufferfish.
I just caught a pufferfish. It felt like it had weight behind it. It's a pufferfish. Chased it again. It ate it again. Is it? No, it's a ladyfish. It's a ladyfish. Letting it go. Yeah. I have something tiny just that keeps nibbling it. It's probably a jack or a ladyfish. Oh no, that's sea trout. That's a good one. just seeing a puffer fish blow up is very good. It's a trout? Yeah, it's a trout. It's swimming at me. I don't think it's that good. I don't know what it is. It's just an art trout. Yeah.
It's what?
It's an art trout. They swim right at you. It's hard to like keep up with them.
Oh.
Okay.
I know they like lake trout.
If lake trout's good, ocean trout's probably good. That's better. That feels better anyways.
Okay.
Oh, it's an art trout.
Okay.
That's fine.
Did they have fun? Ocean trout.
That's good.
I know because our place isn't good.
It felt good.
I'll try right now. I'm not doing
I don't know what it's doing now.
Okay. I'll call you. Okay, I'll call you.
Oh, what the hell is that?
That is a whitey.
Wait, that's a pale rib. You got that?
Okay.
That is pretty.
Oh.
I'm the worst.
Not good for nothing.
Yeah, if you get something good, I'll get on the camera. Okay. And we do the same.
Do not set it in that is. This is pretty good already. I just had a bite this week. Good.
Wow. That feels good.
Probably not that.
I don't know though.
Most time when
Yeah. That is so cool looking.
Take a picture.
Just like the long things. They're cool. You have something? Oh, okay.
I'll let you know.
Okay, yeah. You can go. I'm closer. Wherever you want. I just got hit so hard. Ladyfish. That's the biggest one I've got. Another ladyfish. Oh, that's a shame.
Come on.
Yeah. Wait, nope, no, it didn't.
Big old lady.